So in this video we will learn how we can change color in the PPT. So we have one PPT over there, and in this PPT I want to change this yellow color in entire PPT. Wherever this is yellow, I want to change this color to red. Okay, so if there is even more pages, more than you can, there are so many pages, 26 pages in this PPT or slides. So if I start changing color by selecting one by one, and sorry, enable edit first of all, and if I start editing color one by one, so it will be time consuming. So what I can do is to change color. So first of all we need to check which color we need to change. So first we need to get the hex code for this color. So to get hex code, select the text and click on this color. Okay, so this is yellow color. Whichever the color is, don't change this color. Okay, wherever it is applicable, just click on more color and custom and copy the hex character. Copy, save it somewhere on your computer. For in my case I'm saving it on my notepad. So I'll write existing this color. New color I need to change with, let's choose this color. So suppose I want to change with this color. Yeah, so let's copy the hex character for this color, copy and paste in that. So I'm done with that. Now what I need to do now, just close this PPT. So after that I need to change the extension for this PPT. If you are not able to find extension .pptx over there, what you need to do is you need to go to options, search, option properties. Okay, over there option properties, go to view, and there will be option hide extension for known file types. You need to untick it like that. Okay, it would be tick at your side, so you need to click on untick. After that apply and okay, so it will be visible, and then click on refresh, so it will be visible. So what I need to do now, I need to change it to ZIPG and hit enter. Yes. So now what you need to do, open this, extract this first of all, extract the content. Okay, it will show a pop-up like that. Extract over there. Yeah, done. Open this file, and in that you need some text editor like Notepad. Okay, Notepad plus plus you can use. So you can download Notepad plus plus from Google. When you search on Notepad plus plus, you will get the software. So you can, it's very just like a Notepad it is. So open the Notepad plus plus, it will look like that, and open the file location, this location. So I'll click over there and copy this location just like that, Control C command, and open the Notepad and click on edit. Sorry, no need to click on, just click on replace, or you can simply do a command of Control H in the Notepad, so you'll get a pop-up like that. So what you need to do is you need to go over find in files and paste the location over there. Done. Yeah, location pasted. What we need to do now, we need to search for XML and find what we need to find, our existing character, this one, and change with the new one. Change with this one. Okay, because has is we need to keep in both, so has you don't need to write over there, so just write the text you need to change, and yeah, it is done. So find all and replace in files. So are you sure you want to replace? I'll just say okay. So it is done now. Close the file, close it, and close it as well. Now go back and again zip this file. So in this case, when you zip this file, please make sure when zip will open, it should show these three files only. So if you do this way, like okay, zipping this file, it will not the right way, right? So if you open it, it will show a folder, so it is not the right way. So don't do this way, just zip the file all these together like that. Yeah, zip file. So let's move this file, Control X, and move it over there. So let's rename it with new file, and also change the extension to pptx. So when you open this file, you will see the color all over the ppt changed to red. See, so this is how you can change any color throughout the ppt with a single click. Okay, no need to go over pages. If your boss is asking to change the color, even of the color of background page, whatever the color you want to change, you have to do it the same way. Let me know if you have any doubt on this in the comment section, so I'll be ready with the new video. Okay, thank you for watching. You can subscribe to channel for similar videos in further. Thank you so much. Have a good day.